Welcome to AL-HARAMEEN Technology and Customer Service Center. AL-HARAMEEN, the best help to remind you to pray. Our products. To adjust the settings of AL-HARAMEEN Azan clock, please follow the instructions below. Main features: complete Azan for all prayers with volume control. Prayer alarms to remind us of iqamah or salat time for all prayers. Prayer times for most cities in the world. Could easily add a new city. Easy to use programming by international dialing telephone code. Could easily modify the different prayer time to the outskirts of cities adopted it. The possibility to turn on or off Azan sound imposed on all or alone. Temperature, daily alarm, weekends optional, extra alarm for special appointments. Hijri and Gregorian calendars. Daylight saving time option for countries using this system. Snooze option. Full screen LED light. Except HA4010. Overview. Overview 2A. Model number HA4010 or HA4002. Overview 2B. Model number HA3007. Overview 2C. Model number HA3011. Main functions of keys. City, to select the city. City, to add new city. Set, to set time and date. Set, to move when setting. Up, to convert between Fahrenheit and centigrade temperature when normal. Up, to increase the number. Down, to decrease the number. Azan, to set Azan safety time. Azan twice, to select taqweem system for prayer with up or down and set. Sound, you can turn on or off Azan all or separately. Iqamah, to set prayer alarm. Alarm, press once or twice to turn on or off. Alarm, press a few minutes to set the daily alarm. SNZ, snooze option. G equals H. Convert between Hijri and Gregorian calendars. 12 equals 24. 12 or 24 hours format. DST, daylight saving time. Convert between summer and winter time. Exit, exit and finish setting. Selecting a city. To select a city, look up the international dialing telephone code of that city. See page number 21 to 48 and follow the steps below. 1. Press city. Country code will display. 2. Use up or down to select the country code. Then press set. 3. Then use up or down to select the city code. Then press set. 4. Qibla direction and angle will appear. 5. Press exit to finish setting. Note: when setting any number in the clock, that number will be flashing. Adding a new city. This clock can be used anywhere around the world. You can select your city directly by selecting its city code. If your location is not one of the major listed cities on page 20 to 49, your location can be added to the list of cities as new city using latitude, longitude, and GMT information. For example, the following steps show how to set the city of At-Taif in Saudi Arabia longitude as follow. 1. Press city. Press up or down till 0. Display. Then press set. 2. Press up or down. Adjust latitude. 21N. Press set. Press up or down. Adjust minutes. 25. Then press set. 3. Press up or down. Adjust latitude. 40E. Press set. Press up or down. Adjust minutes. 41. Then press set. 4. Press up or down. Adjust GMT. GMT plus 3 hours. Then press set. If you want to know more about information of the city setting, please visit www.userguide.hk. City selection. Qibla direction. After selecting your city code, the Qibla direction will appear on the screen. The exact Qibla angle will also be displayed. The angle is between 0 and 360 degrees, clockwise from the north. Setting the Gregorian calendar. Advantages. This clock can be displayed both the Hijri and Gregorian calendars every 10 seconds. Or you can choose one of them using G=H button when displayed. To set Gregorian calendar as the following steps. 1. Press set 3 times. 2. Use up or down to adjust the year, then press set. 3. Use up or down to adjust the month, then press set. 4. Use up or down to adjust the date, then press set. 5. Press exit to finish setting. Notes. 1. If you stop automatic display, to set Hijri or Gregorian calendar. To display Hijri calendar, press G=H twice. To display Gregorian calendar, press G=H once. 2. To return to automatic display every 10 seconds. Hijri and Gregorian calendar. If display Hijri calendar, press G=H twice. If display Gregorian calendar, press G=H once. Setting the Hijri calendar. Advantage. This clock can be displayed both the Hijri and Gregorian calendars every 10 seconds. Or you can choose one of them using G=H. When display, look up P8. To set Hijri calendar as the following steps. 1. Press set 3 times. 2. Use up or down to adjust the year, then press set. 3. Use up or down to adjust the month, then press set. 4. Use up or down to adjust the date, then press set. 5. Press exit to finish setting. Notes. When you want to adjust the Hijri calendar, you must set the Gregorian calendar first to correct the day of the week. Setting the time. Setting the time. The calendars are almost the same. Follow the steps below to set the time. 1. Press set 1 time. 2. Use up or down to adjust the hours. Then press set. Notice the 12/24 and AM/PM. 3. Use up or down to adjust the minutes. 4. Press exit to finish setting. Notes. Press set if you want to continue to set the date. Setting daily alarm. The daily alarm is a regular alarm that rings at the same time every day. Moreover, this alarm can be set to ring only on weekends. See page 18. Setting the daily alarm is shown below. 1. Press D/alarm 3 times. 2. Use up or down to adjust the hours, then press set. 3. Use up or down to adjust the minutes, then press set. 4. Use up or down to adjust weekend. To select the symbol 5/6, then press set. 5. Press exit to finish setting. Notes: to activate snooze, press SNZ. To stop only at this time, press stop 3 seconds. To stop alarm, press stop. To turn on or off alarm, press D/alarm. Setting iqamah alarms. This unique feature of iqamah of salat time reminds you exactly at the same time relative to azan every day. For example, suppose you set the alarm to 10 minutes past 5 a.m. and the Fajr azan is at 5 a.m. If the Fajr azan becomes 1 past 5 a.m. in the next day, then automatically the Fajr alarm will change to 11 minutes past 5 a.m. In this way, you will wake up 10 minutes after Fajr azan every day. To set this alarm, look up azan time from the clock and decide your desired wake-up time. Then follow the steps below. 1. Press iqamah, then set. 2. Use up or down to adjust the minutes when you want to remind. 3. Press set, then use up or down to turn on or off the iqamah. Then press iqamah for others. 4. Press exit to finish setting. Notes: if you don't want iqamah or salat alarm, make time 00. One-day alarm setting. In addition to prayer alarm and daily alarms, this clock includes an extra alarm called one-day alarm for your convenience. When this alarm is set, the other two alarm settings are not affected. The steps below illustrate the setting of the one-day alarm. 1. Press 1/alarm 3 seconds. 2. Use up or down to adjust the hours. Then press set. Notice the AM/PM indicators. 3. Use up or down to adjust the minutes. Then press set. 4. Press exit to finish setting. Notes: to cancel this alarm, press 1/alarm 1 time. The icon will disappear. Daylight saving time. To set the daylight saving time, DST for any city. Press DST, then the icon will display on the screen. Notice that the current time and azan times are increased by 1 hour. To get back to standard time, press DST. The icon will disappear and the current time and the azan times will decrease by an hour. Azan safety time. As needed, any azan time can be adjusted forward or backward by a fixed number of minutes. 1. Press azan. Press up or down to set the safety time for Fajr azan. 3. Press set to adjust Ishraq safety time, etc. 4. Press exit to finish setting. Notes: after selecting another city, the safety times are all reset and need to be readjusted if needed. Turn on or off the azan sound. At this clock, you can turn on or off the azan sound, all or separately, as the following steps. 1. Press sound. 2. Use up or down to turn on or off azan sound for Fajr. Then press sound. 3. Uses up or down to turn on or off azan voice for Ishraq. 4. Then press sound for other azan, etc. 5. Press exit to finish setting. Notes: when you turn off the sound of the azan, you will notice that the icon will disappear. Azan taqweem systems. Fajr and Isha times are calculated by either an angle of the sun below the horizon or by an interval of time. This clock is programmed to use the local method or the most widely used system for your city. Also, you can change to another system as follows. 1. Selecting Hanafi method for Asr. Press azan twice, then use up or down to select H, which means Hanafi, or dash, which means regular Asr. Notice that Asr azan time will be changed. 2. Selecting Fajr and Isha calculation methods. Press azan twice, then press set, Then use up or down to select the desired system as follows. Local taqweem, Muslim World League, Muslim League, Union Islamic Society of North America, ISNA, University of Science Islamic in Karachi, Hanafi taqweem, Egyptian taqweem, Egypt. Fixed time. Far time is determined as a fixed interval of time before Ishraq time. Isha time is determined as a fixed interval of time after Maghrib Azan. This system is used in Northern Europe. Al-Qura taqweem. 3. Press exit to finish setting. Notes: after selecting a new city, the clock will be reset to use the local taqweem. How to use the alarm and snooze. 1. Press D/alarm to turn on. The icon will be displayed. 2. Press D/alarm again to turn off. The icon will disappear. 3. Press stop to stop any alarm. In this case, the alarm will ring again on next day. 4. To cancel any alarm in the coming 20 minutes, press and hold the stop until you hear the beep. 5. To turn on snooze, press SNZ. The clock will be in snooze mode, and the SNZ icon will be displayed. In this case, after stopping the alarm by pressing the SNZ, the alarm will ring again after 5 minutes. Notice that the icon will be flashing. To completely stop the alarm, press and hold the stop for a few seconds until you hear the beep. Notice now that SNZ icon is not flashing. Weekend alarm setting. The daily alarm can be automatically disabled on weekends as the following options. 1. Rings every day, no icon or blank. 2. Rings every day except Thursday and Friday. 3. Rings every day except Friday and Saturday. 4. Rings every day except Saturday and Sunday. 5. Rings every day except Friday. 6. Rings every day except Sunday. Example: to set the daily alarm to ring on one of these options, follow the steps below. 1. To select weekend days, press D/alarm 3 seconds, then press set twice. Use up or down to adjust, then press set. 3. Press exit to finish setting. Notes: press stop to stop alarm for one time. In this case, the alarm will ring again on next day. Hijri calendar calculation. The Hijri calendar in this clock is calculated based on the astronomical moon sighting at Mecca. And after setting the Gregorian date, the Hijri date is recalculated accordingly. This feature is useful to determine the Gregorian dates for the corresponding Hijri-based Islamic events. For example, to know when is Eid al-Fitr in the year 1434, set Gregorian date on 8/8/2013, when the calculated Hijri date is 1/10/1434 or not. For more information, visit our website at www.userguide.hk. Thank you for using Al-Harameen products.